we are doing something really fun and kind of spur the moment. We are taking the top off of the Jeep. It's summer and I like to have the top off all summer long, so instead of leaving it on my garage floor, we're gonna build a pulley system so I can keep it on the ceiling, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that today. Let's take the top off. So I parked my Jeep where I want the top to go. We're gonna climb up here, find some studs, do all the measuring, and then we're gonna do some holes. So here we go. When you're drilling your holes for your eye bolts, make sure you get them into floor joists. The top of your Jeep is about 100 pounds, so you wanna make sure those are in really tight. To do this, I used a stud finder that I picked up at Home Depot. Next up, I'm just gonna drill some pilot holes so I can screw in my eye bolts. I got pretty beefy ones because I don't want this to fall. Nobody does. Here's a little trick for you. When you're tightening, instead of using the end of the wrench, the pliers, just use the handle. It's a lot faster. Perfect. Now this is fun. You Jeep owners probably know all about this. It's time to take the bolts out. So I got my little bolt kit that comes with your Jeep. I get to do some unscrewing. I actually love this, it's so fun. This is how we do it. Not gonna lie, I always feel like a little gremlin in here. Just unscrewing everything. Tight places, you know? Now we get to take the first part of our top off, the front pieces, which are really easy. Just unclip. It's like hold on, cronk. Once we have the eye bolts secured and screwed into the ceiling, I picked up these ratchet straps at the hardware store. We're gonna hook one of those on each of the eye bolts and then hook the other end to each corner of our Jeep top. This should make it really easy to lift off once it's detached from the Jeep. This is probably like the simplest way I could do this. Just got some straps, we're gonna slowly cinch it up, and then it's gonna be tops off and out of our way. Easy. I might need a ladder. Once you start lifting the top, be very careful that you have your hooks connected on all corners of your top, and just do it slowly, one strap at a time. This is so easy and it makes it great to keep it off the ground so it doesn't get damaged or dirty while I have my top off. Well guys, there we have it. Our top is off. And very secure, might I add. That was actually so easy and so quick. I love it. It's gonna be staying there for the rest of the summer. Thank you guys so much for taking my top off with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any Jeep hacks, Jeep trails, or you just want to see the fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy building! Woo!